everyone, just a quick, and this is my final update. This is my last trade. I'm not taking any more trades for today. So I went ahead and took a trade here. All my conditions: blue background, blue candle. The trend here went overbought, and then I have my blue volume and choppy indicator here, and the last indicator here. I could have gone in earlier. So the uptrend happened while I was in the kitchen, so I could have gone into it early, but I waited after it crossed this line, got in it, and so I'm waiting for now price to move up to my profit target of 50 tick. This is the MES. I switched over to the tab MES. I have separate settings. I use a different bar size, 8, 20, and 40 for the MES. And so I'm just gonna wait for price to move up. So based on my condition price, I do expect price to move up despite this little pullback. The stop loss is set at the super trend, and so once price reach my 50 take profit, then this stop loss would move to break even minus 32, and then continue trailing 2 candles back. So this is my 4th trade. If this is your first time watching the video, look at the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd trade I took for today, September 5th trading session. Tomorrow, Friday, we're going to be getting the jobs report and see how the market responds to that. So I just reached my 50 tick take profit. So you probably noticed that I did pause the video and re-record because I was just stuck on the price. The market was just stuck. The price wasn't going anywhere, so I had to fast forward and re-record it. Had to cut the video and make it shorter. So now you can see here, I'm just waiting for the second contract to move. Actually price to move so that the second contract can move to break even minus 32, which it did after it reached the 50 tick take profit. And so now I usually sometimes, depending how fast the market is moving, I'll just move it manually, or my ATM strategy here, the Predator, would just move the stop loss automatically. And so now I'm going to just wait till price moves up until I get stopped out. So I'm not sure how long this will take. So I'm just going to end the video here. And again, I just would like to thank you all for watching my video. And please remember to like and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow.